Every load has a destination. Every truck has a driver. But only a few drivers ever build an empire. Some truckers earn 42 cents per mile. Others build companies worth $6 billion. The road is exactly the same. Nobody dreams about backing a 53-foot trailer until they're paid to do it.
If you like breakdowns of how careers actually progress, like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
Level 1. The CDL student. Before you drive 80,000 pounds, you learn not to hit a traffic cone. Your first investment is about $3,000. You haven't earned a dollar yet. The instructor says, take it slow. Your left leg ignores him completely. Shifting 18 gears sounds impossible for about 2 weeks. You finally pull away without stalling. It feels like winning the Super Bowl. Backing up becomes your worst enemy. The trailer has its own opinion. Every experienced trucker makes it look easy. They're forgetting the first 100 attempts. Mirrors become your best friends. Your neck files a complaint. The written exam is stressful. The road test is unforgettable. You finally hear, congratulations. Now the real learning starts. Getting the license was the easy part. Finding your first company isn't. Your first lesson is simple. A CDL gets you in the truck. Experience keeps you there. Level 2. The rookie OTR driver. You finally get hired. Congratulations. Now your home has 18 wheels. Your pay starts around 42 cents per mile. The truck never asks how tired you are. Your dispatcher says, easy load. It somehow weighs 79,800 pounds. The road becomes your office. The sleeper becomes your apartment. Your refrigerator contains energy drinks, cold pizza, 3 sauces, and 1 apple you've been saving for a week. You cross 3 states before lunch. Your family thinks you're still nearby. Truck stops become your favorite cities, mostly because they have showers. You pay for a shower, then spend 30 minutes looking for clean socks. Parking after 8 p.m. becomes an extreme sport. GPS says, turn right. Your trailer politely disagrees. Every bridge suddenly looks too low. 4-wheelers think you're slow. Then they cut directly into your blind spot. The coffee is hot, the load is late, the traffic doesn't care. Nearly 94% of rookie drivers leave their first carrier. The road isn't for everyone. Your second lesson is simple. Getting paid by the mile teaches you that patience is part of the paycheck. Level 3. The veteran driver. 2 years later, you're not driving the truck anymore. The truck feels like part of you. You stop fighting the trailer. Now you dance with it. Backing into impossible docks becomes Tuesday. The rookie checks Google Maps. You remember the exit from 3 years ago. Dispatch says, can you make it? You already know the answer before looking at the map. You recognize truck stops by the smell of the coffee. Every bridge clearance is permanently stored in your brain. Snow, rain, crosswinds. You stop complaining. Mostly. You learn something important. The fastest driver usually arrives second. Fuel economy quietly becomes a game. Every 1/10 of a mile matters. You stop collecting miles. You start collecting stories. Your logbook is cleaner. Your driving is smoother. Your patience still gets tested every Friday afternoon. New drivers ask, how do you back so easily? You honestly don't know anymore. You've driven enough miles to circle the earth dozens of times. And tomorrow, you leave again. Your third lesson is simple. Experience doesn't make the road shorter. It makes every mile easier. Level 4. The owner-operator.